5 money rules rich parents teach their kids, that poor parents don't. Why do some families stay wealthy for generations, while others struggle just to pay the bills? It's not luck. It's not even just about working harder. The real difference, the hidden money lessons rich parents teach their kids, rules most people never learn until it's too late. Welcome to Opulex, where we decode the psychology of wealth and success. Today, we're revealing 15 money secrets wealthy families pass down, and how you can use them to rewrite your financial future. Stick around, number 7 alone has helped thousands of our viewers escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Number 1. Money is a tool, not a goal. Most kids grow up thinking money is something you chase. Rich kids learn it's something you control. Warren Buffett didn't become a billionaire by obsessing over dollars. He built systems that make money work for him. Every time you get paid, ask, how can I invest at least 10% before spending? Instead of buying a new phone with a bonus, buy a dividend stock that pays you monthly. Number 2. Assets feed you, liabilities eat you. Poor families buy liabilities and call them assets. Rich families know the difference. A new car loses 20% of its value the second you drive it off the lot. A rental property pays you rent every month. For 1 month, track every purchase. Label it, makes you money, stocks, real estate, a business, costs you money, clothes, gadgets, cars. Shift spending from liabilities to assets. Number 3. Debt can be a superpower, if you use it right. Poor families fear all debt. Rich families use debt like a scalpel, precise and strategic. Elon Musk borrowed to buy Twitter. The average person borrows to buy a TV. List your debts. Separate, good debt, low interest, builds wealth. From bad debt, high interest, drains wealth. Refinance high interest debt ASAP. Number 4. If you can't afford it twice, you can't afford it. Rich kids learn patience. Poor kids learn buy now, worry later. Mark Cuban still flies coach. Why? Because wealthy people stay wealthy by avoiding lifestyle inflation. Next time you want to splurge, ask, could I buy this twice without stress? If not, wait. Number 5. Your network determines your net worth. Wealthy families don't just give their kids money, they give them access. A Harvard study found that 85% of jobs come from personal connections. This week, reach out to someone 10 steps ahead of you. Ask for advice, not favors. Number 6. Money loves speed. Poor families wait for the perfect time to invest. Rich families know time is the ultimate currency. If you'd invested $1,000 in Amazon in 1997, it'd be worth $2 million today. Open a brokerage account today. Start with $50 in an index fund, like SPY. Number 7. Multiple streams or struggles. 1 income stream fragile. 3. Unstoppable. Kylie Jenner makes millions from cosmetics, endorsements, and investments, not just Instagram. Start a side hustle that earns $500 per month. Ideas, freelance skills, writing, design, rent out unused space, garage, parking spot, sell digital products, ebooks, templates. Number 8. Negotiation isn't optional. Rich kids negotiate everything: salaries, bills, even vacations. Studies show negotiating just your first salary can earn you $1 million extra over your career. Practice with small wins. Can I get a free upgrade? Then tackle bigger asks. Number 9. Taxes are the ultimate game. Wealthy families don't just pay taxes, they play the game. Jeff Bezos paid $0 in federal income taxes in 2007 by using legal loopholes. Read Tax-Free Wealth. Hire a CPA. Even small savings compound. Number 10. Own. Don't rent. Renting your home, you're building your landlord's wealth. Homeowners gain an average of $200,000 in equity over 30 years. Renters gain $0. Save for a down payment. Even a small condo starts building equity. Number 11. Brands are for show, investments are for growth. Poor kids flex Gucci. Rich kids quietly buy Gucci's stock. The average millionaire drives a used Toyota, not a Lamborghini. Redirect one flex purchase into an investment this month. Number 12. Failure is tuition. Wealthy families see failure as tuition for success. Steve Jobs got fired from Apple, then came back and made it a $1 trillion company. Write down one failure and what it taught you. Reframe it as a lesson. Number 13. Read what the rich read. Warren Buffett reads 5 hours a day. The average person watches 5 hours of TV. Knowledge compounds faster than money. Read The Millionaire Next Door. Join a finance podcast, like The Ramsey Show. Number 14. Give to grow. Wealthy families donate strategically, for networks, tax benefits, and karma. Bill Gates gives billions but gains influence and goodwill worth far more. Donate 1% of income. Watch how opportunities follow. Number 15. Money without purpose is noise. Rich kids inherit purpose, not just cash. The Rockefeller family's wealth lasted 7 generations because they taught stewardship, not spending. Write your wealth mission statement. What's the money for? These rules aren't about privilege, they're about patterns anyone can learn. Start with 1. Teach it to your kids. Break the cycle. This is Opulex. Smash like if you learned something. Subscribe for weekly wealth psychology. And if you made it this far, here's your bonus rule. The best investment, yourself. Rich kids don't wait for permission to learn, earn, or grow. Upgrade your skills. Upgrade your circle. Then watch everything else follow. Opulex, where generational wealth begins with you.